Good afternoon, all the principals and head of the institutions, schools affiliated to CBSE. I am aware that not only the CBSE officials and the regional officers, but all of you are working very hard to finalize the result. You are also aware that today is the last date, and most of the requests which I am receiving from the schools, they are just to relax the policy in one way or another way. As you are aware that CBSE has been, this policy has been approved by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, so nothing could be done at this moment of time. My humble request to each and everyone is that if there is no major issue, you should submit your result today by 5 p.m. so that we can work on it and declare the result by 31st of July, as it has been committed by us before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. I will also submit before all of you that if you are having any issue and you feel that no, you will be suffering badly, so in such scenario I would request you that you send one representation to us, finalize your result, and after that we will see what best could be done from our side. But in case if you are not submitting the result will be declared in the second lap, which will be after 31st of July. In such scenario, if there are good students in your school, they may suffer because generally most of the universities in India and abroad, they are having the deadline by first week of August only. So in such scenario, they would be suffering. In CBSE, we are trying to address each and every problem, but most of the time we are getting the problems which are against the policy. These cannot be accepted as of now. The cause has been informed to you above that the policy has been approved by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. My wishes to each and every one of you that you are working very, very hard all the working days, and during the holidays you have done a wonderful work. And I am happy to inform you that a large number of schools have already finalized their data and submitted the data also. There is no hesitation in saying that our IT unit and the director IT had done a commendable work which has helped you in finalizing the data, because if we could have gone without the software, I am pretty confident that there was no possibility of declaring the result, because teachers could commit more number of mistakes. Intricacies are known to us. So whatsoever has been provided with the help of the software, that is the correct one, and with that you submit your result. If you are having any big issue, then leave it, and in second go we can declare your result. My wishes to each and every one of you, kindly take the necessary action by 5 p.m. today, so that a needful could be done as far as declaration of class 12th result is concerned. Once again, best wishes and thank you to each and every one of you.